Example 2. Use the number line to find -1 plus -3. So we start at -1, and now we're adding -3. Now remember, negatives always go to the left, positives go to the right. And so we are adding a -3, so that negative is telling us we're going to move to the left. So we're at -1, and we're going to go -3. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So I end up at -4. Use the number line to find -2 plus 6. So we start at -2, and negatives go to the left, positives go to the right, and so we are going 6, and it's a positive 6. These are just parentheses. This is not absolute value signs. So whenever we have a plus and then like a negative next to it, like in the one above, we had -1 and then plus -3. This is not proper notation in math. It's not allowed. It's like having bad grammar in math. And so we put parentheses around it to show that this number is negative. So we have parentheses that look curved, and then absolute value signs, like we learned in our last topic, are straight lines. So just so you guys understand, when it said -1 plus -3, it's not the same as 1 or -1 plus the absolute value of -3. Those are different. So this is just saying -2 plus 6. So really we don't even need them here because 6 is positive. So since 6 is positive, we're going to go to the right. And so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we end up at 4. And so what direction is positive and what direction is negative on a number line? So when using a number line, moving to the blank is negative. And we said moving to the left is negative, and moving to the right is positive. So now I want you guys to complete the try-its on your own. You're going to do all 3. You can use the same number line multiple times, and then we'll check them in the next section of the notes.